What if real estate wasn't hard, but the way you were trying to do it was? If you've ever felt like you're hustling deals, juggling contractors, chasing capital, and still not getting ahead, you're not alone. Most investors don't struggle because they lack opportunity. They actually struggle because they're missing systems. I'm Steve Jackson. People call me Action Jackson because I don't just talk strategy. I actually help my clients execute and get results faster because I've been in the trenches, folks. I've personally renovated 350 plus houses, completed 700 plus total deals, and at times I've managed 10 renovation projects at the same time. I've seen exactly what breaks investors and what finally makes things work. That's why Dustin asked me to put this session together for you. Not to sell hype, not to teach guru shortcuts, but to show you why real estate feels harder than it should, and the operating system that allows investors to scale without burning out. So whether you're brand new or already doing deals, you'll walk away seeing exactly what's holding you back and what to fix first. If real estate hasn't worked the way you've expected, this presentation will hit close to home. Join me for the Beginning Investors Group webinar, February 16th at 7 p.m. Come see why execution beats hype every time. Don't miss out. For more information, click on the registration link below.